Searching for treasure, uncovering pieces of history, or just enjoying the thrill of the hunt, there's one tool you can't go without: a great metal detector. In today's video, we're diving into the best metal detectors out there. Whether you're a hobbyist or a hardcore treasure hunter, there's something here just for you. We've handpicked the top models based on performance, price, and features, so stick around till the end to find the perfect one for you. 1. MINELAB Xtera Pro. Let's start with the first product. This is the Minelab Xtera Pro, a waterproof metal detector designed for those who take exploration seriously. One of the standout features is its 3 detection modes, which allow it to adjust to different types of terrain. Whether you're scanning dry soil, sandy beaches, or grassy fields, this detector adapts easily, making each hunt smoother and more effective. It's battery-powered, so there's no need to worry about external power sources. Just pop in the batteries and you're good to go for hours of uninterrupted detecting. The build is lightweight, made from durable plastic, which makes it comfortable to carry during long sessions. Plus, the sleek black design gives it a sharp, professional look you'll be proud to use. Thanks to its advanced technology, the Xtera Pro offers precise and reliable detection, helping you avoid false signals and focus on the real treasures. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced detectorist, this is a solid, dependable choice. If you're after reliability, waterproof durability, and versatile performance, the Xtera Pro definitely delivers. So, what's the best treasure you've ever found? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more treasure hunting reviews and tips. 2. 3000W Pure Sine Inverter, 12/24 VDC. Next up, the second product on our list is the 3000W Pure Sinewave inverter from FKSI. This inverter converts DC 12V or 24V power into stable AC output at 110V or 220V, which makes it great for powering household appliances, RVs, or solar setups. It offers 3000W peak power and 2000W continuous power, enough to run devices like refrigerators, TVs, and power tools smoothly. One of the highlights is its compact and lightweight design, measuring about 35 cm by 15 cm by 6 cm and weighing only 1.5 kg, so it's easy to install and doesn't take up much space. The inverter produces a pure sine wave output, which means it provides clean, stable electricity safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and medical equipment. This model is CE certified, ensuring it meets essential safety and quality standards. What I liked: compact and lightweight, easy to carry and install. Pure sine wave output protects sensitive devices. Good continuous and peak power ratings for most household needs. Quiet operation, so no annoying noise while running. What I didn't like: no smart features or remote monitoring capability, limited brand recognition compared to bigger names, slight heating under heavy loads, so you might need good ventilation. In summary, this FKSI 3000W inverter is a solid, budget-friendly choice for those needing reliable and clean power conversion in a compact package. Just keep in mind to provide good ventilation during heavy use, and you'll have a dependable power source for your off-grid or mobile needs. 3. 1000-4000W Pure Sine Inverter, 12 VDC. Now, let's take a look at the third product, the Ease and Power 2600W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. If you're someone who enjoys off-grid living, RV adventures, or just wants a reliable power backup at home, this inverter might just be what you're looking for. It converts DC 12V to AC 220V at 60 Hz, and one of the best things about it is the pure sine wave output. That means it's totally safe for sensitive devices like laptops, TVs, chargers, even medical equipment. You also get a clear LED display, so you can easily keep an eye on voltage, power output, and system status in real time. Super convenient. It delivers 2600W peak power and 1300W continuous, which is more than enough for small appliances like fridges, fans, routers, or light power tools. What's even better, it's customizable, so you can adjust it to fit your unique setup and needs. And now, no product is perfect. This inverter might not be powerful enough for heavy-duty appliances like ovens or washing machines. Also, the cooling fan can be a bit noisy at times, so if you're looking for something whisper quiet, keep that in mind. And installation might not be plug-and-play for absolute beginners. You may need a bit of technical know-how or some help during setup. That said, this inverter checks a lot of boxes. It's reliable, versatile, and performs well, especially if you're powering medium-sized loads or setting up a solar system. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let me know in the comments how you'd use this inverter. For 2000-4000W solar/car pure sine inverter. Coming in at number 4, we have a powerful and flexible inverter, the no-name_null pure Sinewave inverter, available in 2000W, 3000W, and 4000W versions. This inverter converts DC, 12V to 72V, into AC, 110V to 240V, and gives you a clean, pure sine wave output perfect for sensitive devices like laptops, TVs, or even solar setups. It supports both 50Hz and 60Hz, and the double digital display helps you easily track voltage and performance. It's compact and fairly lightweight, with a strong build quality, making it great for RVs, home backups, or off-grid systems. However, keep in mind, it's not suitable for heavy industrial tools, and at higher loads, the fan noise can be noticeable. Also, since it's unbranded, warranty and support could be limited. Overall, for clean power, wide voltage input, and solar compatibility, this inverter offers solid value. Let me know in the comments what you'd power with it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. 5. Bounty Hunter QSI Quicksilver Metal Detector. And finally, the last but definitely not least product on our list is the Bounty Hunter QSI Quicksilver Metal Detector. Is designed for reliable and hassle-free treasure hunting. With fully automatic ground balance, it eliminates interference from mineral-rich soils, ensuring accurate detection in various terrains. Whether scanning beaches, parks, or fields, you get consistent and precise results without manually adjusting settings. The 8-inch waterproof coil lets you explore wet conditions with confidence, making it perfect for shallow water searching. Its LCD display provides clear signal tracking, while the 4-segment digital target ID helps differentiate between valuable metals and unwanted items. Plus, 3-tone audio feedback offers an intuitive way to recognize target materials so you can quickly decide whether to dig or move on. Designed for both beginners and experienced users, this detector is lightweight, user-friendly, and highly efficient. If you're looking for a dependable, easy-to-use metal detector that delivers consistent accuracy, the Bounty Hunter QSI stands out. What's the best treasure you've ever found? Let's chat in the comments.